Hello and welcome to this short video about Jaguar XK8 Red rear reflectors and the UK regs. This is video 52 in my series of XK8 videos. In this video I'm going to show you why I changed to red rear reflectors, the part numbers for those units, a comparison between amber, clear and red reflectors, a comparison of the bulbs, LED and filament together with red and clear, and also a little bit about UK regulation regarding reflectors and the practicalities of that. Okay, so hopefully you're familiar with my channel, ONDR Jaguar XK8 channel. Please subscribe if you'd like to see more XK8 videos. Click the bell to be reminded when the videos become available. Click the thumbs up to like the video, and please share and comment if you've got any questions. Okay, so those of you not familiar with my XK8, this was how it was originally with amber and reflectors and indicators, and I've changed them now to clear. Upgraded the wheels as well. I was very happy with this look. The front blends very well with the front lamp. It looks the business. It doesn't stand out like the amber. The rear similar, but it doesn't quite blend in. It doesn't look correct to have a white reflector at the rear of the vehicle, especially with my car being a darker colour. Possibly with lighter colour cars, silver, etc., it probably wouldn't stand out as much. So I've looked to change to the rear reflectors, which actually have lighting units in. A bit of a comparison of the look. I think it looks a lot cleaner at the back. At the top you can see it's all white or clear, and the bottom is with the red rear reflectors. Okay, so in this clip I'm basically going to show you the difference between the three different reflector types. UK standard cars come with the amber ones. A lot of people convert them to clear by removing the lenses. I've done that on another video. There should be a link coming up in the top there now. And there's also a US-spec Red one. So just a comparison of how they look. I mean, I've took the reflectors off the car now, so this is how it looks if it's body coloured. So completely invisible, if you can imagine that. This is with the amber. Just put it in there temporarily. You can see it really stands out. It's a bit of an eyesore. I'm only showing the back at the minute because the whites look great on the front. Again, the ambers do stand out. Just comparing it to the rear lamp, there's no actual amber. The indicator is the reflector's white, and it only flashes amber when the light's lit. So it's the only amber on the rear of the car. So I say, a lot of people convert them to clear. Yeah, put the clear one on. See, a lot cleaner look. And again, it does match some of the rear of the car. I've actually fitted a red bulb in mine, so it actually lights up red at night, which is very effective. It looks really great when it lights up red at night, and that took me to thinking, well, why don't I just put a red reflector on there, because it does stand out quite a bit. So US-spec cars, I believe, have these as standard. Now I bought this. It's a brand new Jaguar OEM part. Comes with a bulb and a bulb holder, so you don't have to convert it. And it matches really well with the rear of the car, especially with my car. Mine's a dark, I will say it's dark colour. It's a carnival red metallic. But it's not standing out as much, that reflector, and it's very much in keeping with the rear of the car, all red. And obviously legal requirements are fulfilled, which we've already talked about. So at the moment I'm looking to fit these. So just for those who are interested in part numbers, the red units with the bulb holders are LJA 5034BC, as opposed to the standard amber ones, which are LJA 502 4AC. If you want to have a clear lensed reflector, you need to buy the lenses off the eBay seller and convert them yourself. There is a video I've done on that already, I've spoke about. And here we have, just to confirm, it is actually a genuine Jaguar Land Rover part that I purchased. It wasn't a copy or anything. This is a comparison of the bulbs in clear and red. So this is the clear effect without any bulb in. I'll just connect up a red bulb in there. Just a second. Oh yeah, that's a red LED bulb. It shines up a lot nicer in the dark than you can see here. I'll then swap this now for the new red reflector with a standard filament bulb. And already you can see, even the standard bulb, that's much better job if you want red at the back. These standard reds are very good. So I'll swap that standard filament bulb for a white LED. I'm not worried about the cob ones or whatever, the ones that look clear at this point, because you won't see it behind the red. Bit of an interesting result here. It looks, I'm not sure you can see it, looks very pink. I think you can get a little bit, it looks pink. So I thought, why don't we try a red version of the same? You can see it's red. Much better. Actually very similar to the normal filament bulb. So there you go, there's how I made my rear reflectors into red. A bit of a comparison between the original amber, the intermediate clear, and then finally the red. So a little bit about the legislation within the UK. You can find it in the basically Road Vehicle Lighting Regulations 1989, number 1796, Schedule 9/9. The actual colour of reflectors needs to be amber, strictly speaking, except when it's within 1 metre of the rear of the vehicle, it may be red. So one thing that's pretty clear is that those rear reflectors are legal. The front reflectors are a bit debatable, because in theory they aren't forward facing, and it's a bit blurred. They're roughly 600 millimeters from the front of the vehicle, especially if they light up. However, clear indicators are also on the side of the vehicle, and albeit they light up amber, they do reflect white or clear. My other car is a Ford S-Max, my family car, and if you look at the side of that vehicle, the headlamps, the white reflective parts, or the reflective parts, are roughly the same distance from the front of the vehicle. So there are other vehicles which have reflective surfaces on the front of the vehicle within 600 mil. So likely speaking, those front reflectors won't get rejected at MOT, most likely. If you have any problems, you're probably best, as with the amber indicators, fitting amber bulbs, if there is any debate, in which case they'll definitely pass, because it seems like they're not too worried about the reflective surface, more the light. So if you are going to have lights, you're probably okay with clear, but strictly speaking you need to have amber bulbs in the front reflectors. As I've said before, you can have red reflectors and red bulbs within 500 millimeters of the rear of the vehicle. The actual red reflector or the reflector on the rear of the vehicle is within 400 millimeters, so that's perfectly road legal within the UK. If you have clear reflectors on the rear of a vehicle, I would also be thinking similar lines to the indicator. Again, if it's a clear lens, as long as it lights up red. I have had a reference from Hugh, and Hugh has confirmed that he had an MOT failure and they actually fitted a red bulb in and they let it pass. So there is some references to this will work. But my car is a red colour car, and I preferred the red lens. So there you go. My recommendation is go clear on the front, clear indicators and red reflectors on the rear. And hopefully it's UK road legal. I'm not the expert, but just using some common sense, I think we'll be okay. Touch wood. Okay, enough of the rubbish. Hope you'll enjoy the video. Please like, please subscribe, and yeah, please subscribe if you'd like to see more XK8 videos.